Okay, it's the afternoon of the first day. We're going to go into Andrea Frank and Kim McIntosh is off their class. Hold on. Let's go take a peek. Oh, look at all this fun stuff. Let's go spy.
Still use this up. So yeah, I would.
Ooh, what did you do? What are we making? Is this wood?
This is wood.
It says turning paint into wood. Well, see, I knew it was wood.
Yeah. Wood.
Cool bean.
Isn't that nice? Look at those rings.
Very good.
Ooh. Yeah, see, it wouldn't work for me. I told you, I'm not slow about anything.
Pam, look at this. Is that unbelievable?
Just
with
tap
your finger.
Just tap your finger
Yeah, tap your finger.
and tap your finger.
Tap. Don't rub, tap. Good. Okay, over here too. So no, don't go from there. This is the green side. So tap in the green. Now tap on the green. Okay, and on the green there. Okay. Come down here where you got yellow and green. Dip. Now tap on your green.
I need to clean up for the night.
So what you do is you leave your camera sit down. Okay.
How's it going, Sean?
It's going.
All right, you're making my kind of wood there, purple.
What you want to do is what you do.
Like a geode.
Yeah?
Geode.
Little amethyst, right?
Yeah.
Rock and amethyst. Oh my. That's another sexy combination.
Thank you.
What do we got? We've got 2 shades of purple
And some black.
and black. So you don't have any gray in there at all.
No.
That's just the colors mixing.
Does that make sense? You never rub.
Fantastic.
It's totally not what I was going for when I like it. Okay.
See, that's what's abstract about it.
Yeah.
Hey, Michelle, glad you're on. All right. Let's see where we are.
It's a big old pile of
You
brown.
making a knot?
A big old pile of brown.
It's not a...
Kind of resembling manure.
Oh, that's lovely. She's making manure. Let me check over here.
It's being tilted.
I see that. That's got some nice rings.
Thank you. Well, it turned out like it did.
Yes, all the paintings are beautiful.
Dip it in there and
They are absolutely, I think, amazed at themselves, aren't you?
I am. This is
all right.
Beautiful colors.
yeah, thank you, thank you.
Oh, I gotta paint on my
Oh, look at that nice black and white.
You don't want to rub the side when you do that.
Perfect.
Right here. So
So when you do that, then it'll come back. It'll come down on you.
Thank you.
okay, this is the paint that you don't here.
See, look at how nicely that bled out. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, that way when you dab, and then you come over here, so you turn your tray.
Let's see what we have here. Oh, nice. Look at those rings. I can't get rings like that.
I have no idea how this happened because I really thought I messed up.
Nope, you didn't mess up.
No such thing. You just BS until it looks nice.
It's
Called art.
Look at those colors.
You always
I'm
dab.
going for a bit of a Star Wars theme here.
Star Wars. That's awesome. Oh, wait a minute. I have a Facebook comment here that this black and white one is stunning.
Thank you.
We're on Facebook Live, and she said
Aw,
that
thank
it's
you.
stunning. Sending hearts.
Aw.
I loved it.
Is somebody following us in here after 4 o'clock?
That would be me. No, I'm in the Vista room.
And so nobody's in here after 4, are they?
I'll check. I'll go to double check for you in a minute.
That'd be great, because I'd like to let them do one more canvas.
Okay. You liking it?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. That's one of the classes here, which is called After the Pour. Beautiful. Totally gorgeous, Michelle says. I'm on Facebook Live, and Michelle says, tell them I am so happy for them and that you're having a blast. Michelle, Stanton, that's Chad. He's waving. He misses you. All right, we're going to head on over to Raphael's class.
Got a good one going.
Got a good one going? Hang tight.
He's got them all huddled up there.
All right, hang tight. Let's go see what he's doing. Whoops, got to go in there. Thank you.
It's only day one.
Okay. All right, we're in Rafael Delgado's class. Hello. We're on Facebook Live. Good. Woo-wee. Look at all this gorgeous stuff. And Raphael is selling all this stuff. That's right. Oh, too much. Oh my, I see some I want. Now this is y'all's work. And what class are we in?
3 cups and 1 cup.
3 cups and 1 cup. So let's take a look, everyone. Oh my. Look at these. That looks like a peacock. That does look like peacock
Bird
feathers.
in the middle. Little white bird in the middle. See?
Oh, we'll see.
Isn't that cool?
Then someone was successful. Oh, how beautiful.
I just wasn't sure if you, when I moved it in the cup, if you wanted the cup to kind of go around with it.
Wow. Let's take a quick peek. Let's take a quick. They will continue to change. Thank you to Artisa very much. Oh, let me see. Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. You should be. Look at that. Wow. I just wish I could have taken this class. So that's
90 minutes.
absolutely amazing. This is your unique design.
Did it come in 1 cup?
That's your unique design. That's fabulous. 3 cups in 1. Oh my. Amazing. I will let you all get back to work and have fun.
Oh, cool. That's okay. You're next then.
All right, one more room to stop in for now. And then I will reconnect in about 2 minutes. Okay, stay on whoever's live and we'll just keep going. As long as my battery holds out. This is Maureen doing a skins class.
I'm working on kind of a series of these 3 dimensions. No, this is a series. There's three paintings. So the first one.
I think she's doing
the
skins.
colors kind of move in, and then the skins kind of feather out on the edges, and then they move in, and then there's more skins, and then it comes to this rising phoenix kind of bird. Yeah. So yay.
What class are we in?
What class are we in? Class?
Oh.
The chemistry is mastering the dirty core.
Ooh.
And are you learning anything? Oh. I learned more what I didn't know. But you are all mastering it now.
Mastering the dirty pour. The chemistry behind it.
And what about that golden pouring medium?
Oh, my God.
It's amazing. Thank you, Golden.
Thank you, Golden.
We thank Golden very much. They are a generous sponsor this year. And then hopefully we will get them physically in Seattle.
Yay.
We hope. We hope. We have her. We have Maureen. Doing more amazing, unique classes.
So this is an intentional pour that they're working on now.
Very nice. Wow, look at that. That's nice.
Mine is accidentally on purpose intentional.
Accidentally on purpose intentional. I like it.
Yes.
Beautiful. Oh, it's amazing how different everyone's color palettes are.
Right?
Oh,
Is this
look.
color?
Is that what it is? That's bold. Nice. And look, you're already making a star pattern. You're making stars.
Starfish.
Starfish. I thought it was more galactical, more galaxy. But you're not done yet. This is amazing.
Oh, mine just really moved. Holy moly. I noticed that.
See, now there's a technique I've never seen.
Too much paint. Remember? I used too much paint.
Is that your own creation? All right. I love it. All right. We will see you all later. You're welcome. It is fun, Michelle. Everyone's having a great time. I'm going to try and walk over to another class if I have battery life. Hang on. Have a good day at work. Yeah. No class? Is it, okay. Okay. This is an empty room. Good. This is my next classroom. Let me check one more room and see if there's a class in there. Oh, this was from Meg's Resin Petries. We won't be able to see the reveal until tomorrow on these. I can already see that they are amazing. I can't wait to see the reveals. And this was from Maureen's class earlier this morning, the basics. Let me take a peek. Nope, empty classroom. Okay, everyone's taking a break. Talk at you later, everyone. Have a great day.